He's from an ISC board school and then उसे अपने dream college SRCC में admission मिल गया.
So my CUET score was 782.
That's like a really great score, guys. 782 and SRCC, the best college probably in DU4, guys. Hi guys, I'm Harshvardhan. I'm with Vasu today. He reached out to us. He's from an ISC board school and then उसे अपने dream college SRCC में admission मिल गया. तो he wanted to help out students जो उसके जैसे हैं जो CBSE board में नहीं थे, so that they can get admission into their dream college. So I would like to thank Vasu a lot for his proactiveness, and then let's get right into it. Okay, so Vasu, tell us about yourself.
So hello guys, my name is Vasu and I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And like Bhaiya said, I have done my schooling from an ISC board and I am from Commerce with Mathematics stream, and I have secured 95% in my class 12th, and currently I am pursuing BCom Honours from Shriram College of Commerce, Delhi University.
So now, what was your CUET score?
So my CUET score was 782.
That's like a really great score, guys. 782 and SRCC, the best college probably in DU4, guys. All right. So now I want you to tell me what is the ISC board and what kind of resources did you actually use to study and get into SRCC?
So ISC board basically stands for Indian Secondary Certificate Examinations, and basically ISC board is known for its comprehensive curriculum and the detailed explanation for each and every topic apart from the CBSE and other curriculums. And coming to all the resources that I have used for the board examination, I have used my ISC book as usual, and but for the CUET, the most important resource that I have referred to is NCERT, and that would be my advice, that you have to follow each and every topic from the NCERT itself. It's like a Bible for CUET, and there are some topics that are included in CUET or CBSE and that are not included in ISC. Particularly if I talk about Indian economic development, it's included in CBSE and CUET, but it is not a part of ISC. So it would be beneficial if you start preparing for your CUET by referring to NCERT books itself.
So guys, it's super hot. So I'm just gonna clap and we're gonna transition to a place with shade. Okay. So how do you like the college, man?
It is fantastic, and like all the expectations I had, I am reaching it right now. Definitely it's quite a hectic schedule, particularly because till now we haven't got our second week schedule. So it's now gets over usually at 1:30, but after the timetable gets updated, usually I've heard that it goes till 4 or 5 p.m. and that in that case it would be a hectic.
Yeah, okay. That's good. So we're almost done. Can you tell us how DUVD helped you out?
So like I said, you have to solve as many PYQs as you can, because if I talk about this year's CUET paper, there were at least 3 to 4 questions of accountancy that were repeated from past years, and the same case happened with business studies and economics also. So yeah, it will be very much beneficial. Plus, it would give you an idea that how questions are framed and from which topics the questions are more frequently framed. So it would be very beneficial if you go with. No, I'm not saying that each and every set, but at least 15 to 20 sets per subject you have to do.
Okay, so you can get the people who are preparing for CUET. You told us a lot about how you did it. If anybody wants to get into the dream college and they have from an ISC or a different board from CBSE, which most people are generally, तो उसके लिए वो क्या कर सकते?
First of all, I would say that don't get miscarried by wrong information that you are from a state board or an ISC board. You can't cope up with the CBSE student. It's completely false, because not only me, I have seen my other colleagues also and my friends also that they have been into North campuses, and the basic thing that they have done is to maintain their consistency and perseverance. If you are thorough with NCERT, if you are thorough with all the subjects and context, then you are good to go. There is no such problem that you have a disadvantage. But yeah, you have to put some extra effort, because CBSE, like I have said, CBSE students have gone through their books for the whole year. They have a base in them and they have experience in how to go about NCERT. So you have to go about it. there are certain channels on YouTube, like there was one channel like Neha Janjir ma'am, and she usually posts all the line by line explanation of NCRT books. So you can refer to that also. Particularly, I have referred to mainly for Indian economic development. Like it was not included in ISC, it was included in CBSE. So I have referred to her lecture, and it was very beneficial.
PYQs from DUBD and any other help you need with your college stuff, you can check us out. Thank you so much, Vasu,
Thank you.
for coming on the channel. I'm sure like all the ISC board students, उनको बहुत help मिलेगी इससे. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Subscribe for more.
Thank you, guys.